Hello guys, welcome back to Sketchfighter. My name is Wolf, and today I'm going to be playing the second part, which is the volcano. There's I played a bit of it, and I didn't record it. I didn't exactly play it, all I did was go to that save point just there, which is really close, just up there. Is where the, oh no, I went back to the wasteland. Okay, I can go back easily anyway. Yeah, see, it's really close. So you didn't miss out on anything. And now I'm gonna go on my venture to find my way out of this place. Whoa, 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 woohoo, whoa, so hard. Oh, what? Wow. Okay. Well, that's a bit disturbing. Because I didn't know. But at least I found, at least I know now. Whoa. Did it get faster all of a sudden? I swear it just did. I meant that thing just did, not he. Not even a he or a she. Quickly blow up, blow up. Okay, maybe I shouldn't sit there. The area damage is very good. It's like the music just got louder all of a sudden. Please be health. Oh wait, more of these both you guys. Must get the health after I explode this guy. Yay! Oh no, red stuff. Red stuff. Whoa, there's a lot of damage. I'm supposed to go this way. It's awfully hard. It's like it's telling me no. Wait, I can hit it like that. Take it slowly. Oh, that's not slowly. Doesn't matter. I'll make it through anyway. That hurt. That really hurt, you know. Oh, that doesn't look good. Let's back away a bit, actually. Go up, go up. Double up, maybe it's just break. Woo! Epic turn. Now let's go to that thing I must have opened. Oh, I seriously can't drive. That's why I'm gonna kill these guys. You guys are really dangerous. Really dangerous. Seriously, like, it's seriously dangerous. God, it's so hard to dodge and try to hit at the same time. I think I'm better off just trying to dodge them. Boop. Ah, yeah. Ah. What's that? What's that? Oh, God, I don't even know what that is. That's what makes it freaky. Those things. Like tiny little cute ghosts. Oh, he looks well prepared to attack. Sure, I can get him though. Right? Can I kill him? Oh, I get health from them too. Gotta get into that little section there. Aha! I'm clear to go. Wait, let's see what was up there. Maybe it was a save point. Oh, I should have saved. No, it's not. That's dangerous. Whoop. Let's go save. Don't tell me that thing is respawned. I heard the shooting of it again. So I don't know if enemies can respawn or not. Oh, good, it didn't. But that doesn't say, that doesn't mean that they can or can't respawn yet. Why extra health? Just when I need it too. God, I can't drive! That's where I must have unlocked. What? Oh, oh yeah. Oh, that's good protection. Nice job, man. God, how are you supposed to dodge that? It's safe up here, right? The only time I can pretty much get him is when he's open, when he tries to shoot at me. Oh, he's hard. Oh, god damn it. He's hard. He's a hard one. He's a hardy doll. Let's try it again. Oh, come on. They're back here again. Oh. Avoid everything. Avoid everything. Okay, maybe not avoid everything. These ghost things again. Ooh, what's this? Let's go, guys. CC. I'm not gonna kill these guys this time. There's no use, really. Whoa. This guy's too hard, man. This guy's too hard. Can't even see him. Oh, man. Try again. Let's hope the video's not going for too long, since I can't have it going for too long. Oh, God. It's hard trying to avoid everything. Maybe I can't avoid these guys, though. These guys probably just keep chasing me, it seems like. That's close. Another ghosty. Dodge, dodge. 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 Dodge, 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 dodge. God, I can't dodge. Get those dodging skills. And then right into battle. Dun, dun, dun. Oh, what? That's unfair. Ah, you can't do that. Okay, I'm gonna leave this one as a part 1 of the volcano. So thank you for watching, guys. If you like it, please subscribe and give me a like. And I'll see you in the next video of Sketchfighter, the volcano part 2. Me beating the boss. Okay, goodbye.